and welcome to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. In this session, we will be covering next problem scenario for the CCA 159 exam. In this scenario, what we will be given is Hadoop exam in table, which is same as we have discussed in our previous session. Now we need to calculate the variance for the sample and entire population, as well as a standard deviation for the decimal value 7,4. So you need to be able to understand what is standard deviation, what is the variance kind of thing, and which we cannot explain in detail here. So we can only help you to understand how to run these queries and what exactly syntax kind of thing. But you need to understand, we will be coming in the data science training soon, so you would be understanding this in detail with us. So please don't forget to subscribe with hadoopexam.com. Just subscribe here. Just click here this link, and you need to put your email ID and you can subscribe it. So whenever we launch data science training or any training, you will get to know. So that would be in-depth, very structured training, so that would help you to understand in very easy language the thing. So okay, so now we will be moving to the problems solutions. Okay, so I have already copied the text. So we have been given and we need to calculate the variance for the value, correct? So there is a functions provided by the Impala. We will be using the Impala function named variance, which is which will actually the calculate the variance for the value column. And just it's very simple, just run this query. You should be able to know like what exactly is the functions I should use it, because the documentation would be provided by Cloudera to you during the exam, but you need to able to understand like which functions I need to solve the problem if the problem statement is given, correct? So that would help you to the fast searching of the anything if you are looking for in the documentation. So calculate the variance for the sample. Suppose if you have a millions of records, correct, and like in this table, suppose there are millions of rows. So what variance samples, like out of this millions records, it will pick up only few sample records and then calculate the variance. So that would be give you the faster result rather than calculating the variance for entire populations, entire data size. It will select randomly the sample size. How the sample selection is algorithm is implemented by the Impala, it's internal, and then it will use your this functions and selected sample rows and calculate the variance for this. So their value might be different for the entire populations or for the sample variance. Okay, so now here you can see it's the same value is written by this, it could be different. Okay, now variance for the entire populations, there is a variance pop function. For sample, there is a variance sam function. So let me paste this query and for calculate the variance for entire population. So okay, so now you can see variance for this simple variance function will give you the sample values variance, and which is very same for this both the function. But here for entire population variance value is different, 21.5. So how much value varies, that is the variance, correct? Now next what it is asking us, like calculate the standard deviation. So the standard deviation is is square root of the variance, correct, in the technically. So what we will be doing, the standard deviation we will be creating and then storing this value in the Hadoop exam var table. So this kind of things you have to do, because you need to save the result whatever the query you are executing it. And because again, as I have previously mentioned, Cloudera look for the your solution as well as the result data which is expected, and it should be this precisely exactly the same what is expected in the questions asked by the Cloudera. Then only you would be given a full marks. Okay, so now we will be saying standard deviation. To calculate the standard deviation, there is a function called standard deviation, and if you want to provide the decimal value like out of 4 up to 4 decimal, you can use it. I have given the name of the column as a standard deviation. Similarly, variance we have calculated, and we have stored in this. So we will be storing the standard deviation as well as variance in the new table from the Hadoop exam in table for the value column. Okay, we need to cast it as an decimal value, because we are getting the variance value as an integer, and then we need to cast it as expected. So in a single line we are creating the table from the selected result. So create table using as. So whatever this result is providing, select statement will provide the result output would be created as a table and stored in this. Okay, so let's run this query and see what happens on the Impala. So this query is okay, one row is inserted. Okay, and you should able to see the result here. Okay, so now just run the query, select star from Hadoop examiner. So this is the standard deviation and variance have been stored in this table. So that's all about this problem scenarios. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this session. If you're watching on the YouTube, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, and also please don't forget to refer your friend to hadoopexam.com. The more references we will get, we will be able to provide the better material, and we will focus more and more on the material creation, for which will help you to understand everything in detail and very easily. That is our target. So thanks for watching.